Guys, welcome back to another episode. We have a Bentley Continental with us today. We're gonna be doing some paint protection film. We're gonna be doing some ceramic coating on top of it. And how did I know it was a Bentley? Well, it says Bentley, and it says Bentley.
All right, so in our prep process, usually we would tape off all the plastics and everything, but with this being a higher end vehicle, it doesn't really have any plastics. We're gonna get the entire vehicle wet with our slip solution. This is gonna help us grab all the loose contaminants. I'm gonna come back with a towel and wipe down the panel I just sprayed. I'm gonna get it all wet again. And this time we're gonna be removing any contaminants that are embedded within the clear coat. That's what this little clay mitt's for. Now we're going to be moving on to our second stage of the prep process, which is going to be paint correction. Luckily for me, this is kind of a newer vehicle and it's been taken care of and polished on before, so there's not really many paint defects. I'm just going to get right into it. I'm going to make a little tiny section of where I'm going to be polishing at, and I'll just kind of let the polisher do all the work. Look at my towel. But yeah, I mean, after you see when I wipe it all off, you're not gonna see like any drastic difference or anything. But I mean, yeah, there's like, I can't see a difference from where I polished right here to up here, because I had already done the hood and everything. Yeah, I don't really see any difference at all. This is just kind of making sure that there's no waxes or sealants on the paint.
The next day.
Julio's in a sticky situation right now.
Can you put the lip down?
So you know what to do here?
No. What do you do here?
Okay. So basically, this thing's expensive. You have to try to save as much as you can. What I'm thinking, actually, we'll move them closer together.
What, too far?
Oh man, this blade is not sharp.
Oh my god.
Cut!
Cut! All right, so we're doing a full front on this Bentley Continental. Basically what I'm focusing on is starting around one of these holes and then working in sections away from that. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah, it's a brush hair. You see it?
There's a little tiny hair right there.
Yeah. Dude, do I need to go grab a plier? Still not grabbing it. Bro, what is... It won't grab it. Yeah, that's when we like clean out the cracks. We do our little brushes in there and it got stuck in between the panels. At least it wasn't in my PPF. All right, so we're getting ready to do this fender here. It's a big piece, real massive piece. Has the headlights I deleted because I'm gonna have a lot of stretch on this. It's like partially template cut and then I extended a lot of the edges so I'm not getting any crazy pre-tack. And the reason I extended all this is so I don't have to squeegee into the panel here and then do a bunch of stretch and then have a stretch line in the panel. So I have it tacked here against the door. That way I can do my stretch and not have any pre-tack or any stretch lines. Now my focus is gonna get at this point to here. I gotta use both my hands to do it. Got quite a bit of stretch. Also making sure along this hard body line, making sure I'm not tacking up. Right in there. Now, just trying to get more gel up on this body line. Trying to make it to where it's not going to tack up on me. Then I'm going to focus on this little circle cut out here for the parking sensor. Lock that down. That's pretty much it other than this front part. A little bit of tension here, but nothing crazy.
What a waste of love.
All right guys, the Bentley is all done. We put the PPF on it. We got the car ceramic coated. The thing looks beautiful, just like the rest of the car does. We hope you enjoyed watching. Follow us on all our socials, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. What? Hold on, I'm waiting for the car pass. Like, all right, great timing. Can't even get a word out. All right, let's try that again. Cut.